So my dream job is definitely to be an optometrist, and this is my dream job because about 3 years ago now, 3 or 4 years ago now, I started shadowing one back in my hometown, and I just like really connected with him. And the patients there, a lot of them are older adults, and I really have a passion for older adults. Um, and so, being an optometrist, a lot of times ocular diseases occur more often than not in older individuals. So you really get to work with a lot of the older population, and it's a really relaxed environment as well. An optometrist is not a super high stress job, and that's something else that I'm looking for. I originally thought I wanted to be a pediatrician, but I tried one of those and just realized that working with kids can be a lot to handle, and it's probably not for me. So yeah, now an optometrist is my dream job. Um, okay? So this class will help me. So I really am interested in how food security can relate to ocular diseases, and I hope to do research on that one day because I really believe that food security um, relates to our overall health, and I really learned a lot about that in my major of public health. But yeah, I really believe that food security is probably linked to ocular disease, and I want to do research about it because there's not much, if any, out there about it. But we'll see. And then, of course, this class I'll learn about food security, I'm sure. And then to become an optometrist, it's quite a process. But you have to take, your science classes. So I graduate in December, but after that, I still need to take biochem. So I'm taking that in the spring. So that's the first action plan. Second one is to take the OAT, which is the optometry admissions test. I'm going to take that probably this fall. So, and then around next August is when I'll start applying to optometry school and hope that I get in. Also, I need to start. Well, I've already shadowed a lot, but I probably should just shadow more because it's always good to have extra hours. But yeah, thanks for watching.